Hi, welcome to another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade chicken soup. These are the ingredients. We have some grated pumpkin, grated Christophine, provision. It has Eddos and sweet potatoes and potatoes. And we have some okra. And eventually this, I already kneaded the flour. This is going to go in to make the dumplings. We have some seasoning here to go into the chicken. Black pepper, salt, ketchup and soy sauce and the chicken. Okay, so now I'm just going to season the chicken. I'm going to toss the seasoning in, as well as the black pepper, salt, the ketchup, and the soy sauce. I'm just gonna stir it up. I incorporated hot peppers into my seasoning. I will taste and then I'll add more pepper if needed. I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in the pot. I don't cook with a lot of oil, so I'll add some sugar in. I'm gonna just wait until it gets caramelized, and then I'm gonna toss the chicken in, and then we'll leave the chicken for like 10 minutes to cook, and then we'll toss the vegetables in, and I'll show you the rest after. So now the sugar is getting caramelized, so I'm going to wait until it gets into a nice brown dark color, and then we're going to toss the chicken in. As you can see, the sugar is getting into a nice color, nice brown color, so I'm going to toss the chicken in now. Just give it a stir. Color. Then I'm going to leave this for 10 minutes and we'll come back and check it. So now I'm going to just give it a turn, and then I'm going to toss the vegetables in, which is all this. Then I'm going to throw the pumpkin in as well. The grated Christophine. Turn, and then we're gonna just let this cook down for 5-10 minutes, and then I'm gonna throw water in there, and this will have to boil, come to a boil, and everything has to cook. Then we'll put the dumplings in, as well as the plantains. So now I'm gonna take a turn and see what's going on here. And at this point, I'm going to put some water in so that everything gets to a boil. I'm going to add the water. any point you think your sauce needs more color, you can always add some browning to it. And I'm just going to let this come to a boil. Okay, so at this point vegetables has already cooked halfway through, so I'm now going to add the dumplings. You need to make your dumplings like this way, the original Trini style way, or you can make them like this, little balls. And just make them like that. And when I'm finished putting all in, then I'm going to top it off with some more water. And the end of it all, I'm going to throw the plantain in, and I'll just simmer in there until it's done. Now I'm just going to toss the plantain in, and we'll give it like a 10 minutes, because now all the vegetables are soft and nice. So the plantain should take like maybe 10 minutes to cook, and then the soup should be ready to be eaten. At this point, everything has gotten soft and everything is cooked. So I'm going to take this down and I'll show you the end product. Okay, so this is the end product. This is what it looks like, and now I'm going to take a taste. So good. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you.